There comes a moment in life that changes everything. Not when someone leaves, not when a relationship ends, not even when the last message is sent. The real moment comes later. It arrives quietly, unexpectedly, and for an avoidant, it can become one of the most powerful wake-up calls they will ever experience. Because there is a huge difference between losing a relationship and losing someone rare. Most people don't understand that difference until it's too late. An avoidant often walks away believing they are escaping pressure, expectations, vulnerability, or emotional discomfort. They tell themselves they need space. They convince themselves distance is the answer. And for a while, it feels that way. The silence feels comfortable, the freedom feels refreshing, the responsibilities disappear. Everything seems easier, but then something interesting begins to happen. Life continues. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. And slowly, they discover that peace and emptiness are not the same thing. They realize that what they escaped wasn't the problem. What they left behind was the person who made life brighter. The person who understood them when others didn't. The person who saw potential in them even when they couldn't see it themselves. The person who stayed patient during moments when most people would have walked away. That's when the first realization begins. They start comparing, not intentionally, not consciously, but naturally. Every conversation becomes a comparison. Every new connection becomes a comparison. Every relationship becomes a comparison. And suddenly they notice something. Not everyone brings the same energy. Not everyone offers the same loyalty. Not everyone provides the same emotional safety. Not everyone makes them feel understood. What they once considered ordinary now looks extraordinary. What they once took for granted now seems incredibly rare. And that's the painful truth about value. People often recognize it most clearly when it is no longer available. You see, rare people are different. Rare people don't simply occupy space in your life. They elevate your life. They challenge you to become better. They inspire growth. They bring stability during chaos. They offer support without constantly demanding recognition. Their impact is felt long after they are gone at first. An avoidant may not notice that impact, but time has a way of revealing reality. Time removes distractions. Time removes excuses. Time exposes truth. And eventually they find themselves revisiting memories they once ignored. The conversations, the laughter, the support, the understanding, the connection. Moments that seem small suddenly become priceless. Moments they barely acknowledged suddenly become unforgettable. Why? Because emotional maturity changes perspective. As people grow, they begin seeing things differently. What once looked like pressure now looks like care. What once looked like vulnerability now looks like strength. What once looked like responsibility now looks like commitment. And what once looked replaceable now looks rare. This is where the deepest lesson emerges. The rarest people are not always the loudest people. They are not always the most dramatic. They are not always the most demanding. Often the rarest people are the ones who quietly improve your life every single day. Their value isn't obvious because it becomes part of your normal routine. You get used to their kindness. You get used to their consistency. You get used to their support. And because you get used to it, you stop appreciating it. Until one day it's gone. And that's when reality hits. Not all losses are equal. Some losses create sadness, others create regret. Because sadness comes from missing someone. Regret comes from finally understanding what they meant to you. An avoidant may spend months convincing themselves they made the right decision. Yet the moment they truly grow, the narrative changes. They stop asking, why did I leave? And start asking, why didn't I appreciate what I had? That question can echo for years, because opportunities return, money returns, success returns, but certain people never do. Some people move forward. Some people heal. Some people build beautiful lives without looking back. And when that happens, the avoidant faces a reality they never expected. The person they thought would always be there is gone. Not because they stopped caring, but because they finally started respecting themselves. That realization can be powerful, because self-respect changes everything. When someone chooses growth over waiting, healing over chasing, and purpose over proving their worth, they become impossible to replace. And that is exactly why rare people leave such a lasting impact. Their value becomes undeniable. Their absence becomes noticeable, their memory becomes unforgettable. So if you have ever felt overlooked, underestimated, or unappreciated, remember this. The people who truly transform lives are often recognized later, sometimes much later. Your value is not determined by whether someone sees it immediately. Your value exists whether it is acknowledged or not. And one day, those who failed to appreciate it may finally understand exactly what they lost. Not just a relationship, not just a connection, but someone rare, someone genuine, someone unforgettable. Someone whose absence taught them a lesson their presence never could. And that is the moment an avoidant realizes they lost someone rare. One of the most powerful moments in an avoidance journey happens when they begin to realize that your presence was never ordinary. While the relationship was active, they may have viewed your support, patience, and understanding as something that would always be available. Because avoidants often focus on maintaining independence and emotional distance, they can become so accustomed to a caring person's presence that they fail to recognize how much value that person brings into their life. What feels familiar is often mistaken for something common. Yet familiarity and rarity are not the same thing. At first, after creating distance, they may feel relief. The emotional demands they perceived are no longer in front of them. The expectations of closeness disappear. They tell themselves they made the right decision. They believe they are moving forward. But as time passes, something begins to change. The noise of the breakup fades. The emotions settle, the distractions become less effective. And in those quiet moments, memories begin to surface. They start remembering the little things that once seemed insignificant. The way you listened when they were stressed. The way you understood what they meant even when they struggled to express it. The way you respected their need for space while still caring deeply about them. These memories do not arrive all at once. They appear gradually, often when they least expect them. A song, a place, a conversation, or even an ordinary day can suddenly remind them of what they once had. What makes this realization so powerful is that it often comes through comparison. As they meet new people and experience new relationships, they expect to find the same qualities elsewhere. They assume that understanding, patience, loyalty, and emotional safety are easy to replace. But reality teaches a different lesson. They discover that many people can provide attention, but very few provide genuine understanding. Many people can create excitement, but not everyone creates trust. Many people can be present during good times, but not everyone remains supportive during difficult moments. Slowly, they begin to see that your presence offered something unique. You were not simply filling a role in their life. You were contributing something meaningful to it. You brought a level of consistency that is increasingly difficult to find. You offered acceptance without demanding perfection. You cared without constantly keeping score. Those qualities become more visible in your absence than they ever were in your presence. An avoidant often spends a great deal of time protecting themselves from vulnerability. Because of this, they may not fully appreciate emotional connection while they are experiencing it. Their focus is often on preserving freedom, avoiding pressure, or maintaining control. Yet when a rare person leaves, they eventually discover that true connection was never the threat. The threat was taking it for granted. The longer they go without experiencing that same depth of connection, the clearer the truth becomes. They realize that what they lost was not merely a relationship. They lost someone who genuinely saw them, accepted them, and cared about them despite their walls. And once that understanding takes hold, it becomes very difficult to ignore. The person they once viewed as ordinary begins to stand out in their memory as someone exceptionally rare, someone whose value only became fully visible after they were gone. One of the biggest misconceptions an avoidant can have is believing that distance will automatically bring relief. When emotions become intense, expectations increase, or vulnerability starts feeling uncomfortable, creating space seems like the perfect solution. From their perspective, stepping away promises freedom. They imagine that once the relationship is no longer demanding their attention, they will finally feel calm, in control, and at peace. For a short period, that belief can seem completely true. The first days or weeks after pulling away often feel easier than expected. There are fewer difficult conversations. There is no pressure to open up emotionally. There is no need to confront fears of intimacy or commitment. The silence feels manageable. The independence feels familiar. They convince themselves that the distance has solved the problem. In their mind, they escape something that was making them uncomfortable. But time has a way of revealing the difference between temporary relief and genuine fulfillment. What initially feels like freedom slowly begins to feel different. The excitement of having space starts fading. The distractions that once occupied their attention lose their effectiveness. The sense of control they were seeking no longer provides the satisfaction they expected. Without realizing it, they begin encountering moments that feel strangely empty. This happens because the absence of discomfort does not automatically create happiness. Removing emotional challenges from life does not remove emotional needs. Deep down, every human being wants connection, understanding, acceptance, and belonging. An avoidant may spend years convincing themselves that they need less of these things than other people, but those needs never completely disappear. As daily life continues, they begin noticing the spaces that someone once filled. A successful day feels less rewarding because there is no one special to share it with. A difficult day feels heavier because there is no trusted person offering support. Small victories become quieter. Challenges become lonelier. The emotional safety they once had is no longer available. What surprises them most is that they do not necessarily miss the relationship exactly as it was. Instead, they miss the emotional experience that came with it. They miss being understood without lengthy explanations. They miss having someone who genuinely cared about their well-being. They miss knowing there was a person who saw beyond their walls and still chose to stay. This realization often arrives gradually rather than dramatically. It may begin with a simple thought. They may find themselves wondering how you are doing. Then they remember a conversation. Later they recall a moment when you supported them during a difficult period. Piece by piece, the emotional significance of the relationship becomes clearer. The distance they once believed would provide lasting relief starts producing the opposite effect. Instead of feeling lighter, they feel the weight of what is missing. Instead of feeling completely free, they feel disconnected. Instead of experiencing peace, They encounter an emptiness that cannot be filled by busyness, achievements, or casual interactions. The uncomfortable truth emerges. The relationship itself was not the source of all their discomfort. Many of the struggles they were trying to escape existed within them. By leaving, they removed the connection but carried their fears with them. The space they created did not eliminate their internal challenges. It simply removed someone who had been offering understanding, patience, and care. Eventually, they begin to recognize that there is a significant difference between being alone and feeling fulfilled. Distance may provide temporary comfort. A genuine connection provides something much deeper. And when that connection is gone, the emptiness left behind can become impossible to ignore. One of the most revealing stages in an avoidance experience occurs when they begin to see your value through contrast. While you were part of their everyday life, many of your qualities may have blended into the background. Your loyalty became expected. Your patience became familiar. Your understanding became something they assumed would always be there, because human beings naturally adapt to what is consistently available. They often fail to recognize its true worth until it is gone. At the time, they may have focused more on what was missing than on what was present. They may have noticed imperfections, moments of conflict, or areas where the relationship felt challenging. Like many people, they viewed certain positive qualities as normal, rather than exceptional. They assumed that if this relationship ended, they would easily find someone else who offered the same emotional support, trust, and understanding. But life has a way of testing assumptions. As they move forward and encounter different people, they begin gathering new experiences. Some connections may start with excitement and attraction. Others may seem promising at first glance. Yet over time, comparisons begin forming naturally. They notice that some people communicate poorly during difficult moments. Others disappear when problems arise. Some struggle to offer empathy. Others create drama where there once was peace. Without intending to, they start measuring these experiences against what they once had with you. A conversation that feels shallow reminds them of how deeply you listened. A moment of disappointment reminds them of how dependable you were. A lack of emotional safety reminds them of how accepted they felt around you. Suddenly, qualities they once overlooked become impossible to ignore. What makes this process powerful is that contrast creates clarity. It is difficult to appreciate light when you have never experienced darkness. It is difficult to appreciate loyalty when you have never experienced inconsistency. It is difficult to appreciate emotional maturity when you have never encountered emotional chaos. The more varied their experiences become, the easier it is for them to recognize what made your presence different. They begin realizing that not everyone is willing to be patient during difficult seasons. Not everyone offers support without expecting something in return. Not everyone makes an effort to understand another person's fears, struggles, and vulnerabilities. Those qualities are far less common than they once believed. As this awareness grows, their memories of you often change. They start viewing past situations through a different lens. Moments they once dismissed now seem meaningful. Acts of kindness they barely acknowledged now appear significant. The emotional effort you invested becomes more visible because they now understand how rare that effort truly was. This does not happen because they suddenly become nostalgic about every aspect of the relationship. It happens because experience teaches them what cannot be learned through theory alone. When they encounter relationships lacking trust, consistency, respect, or emotional depth, they gain a clearer understanding of what those qualities actually contribute to a person's life. The contrast becomes even stronger when they realize that genuine connection is not built solely on attraction or chemistry. It is built on daily actions, mutual respect, reliability, and emotional presence. These are the qualities that sustain relationships over time, and these are often the exact qualities that rare people bring naturally. Eventually, they recognize something they could not fully see before. Your value is never based on grand gestures or dramatic moments. It was reflected in the countless ways you made life easier, safer, calmer, and more meaningful. Through contrast, they begin to understand that what once seemed ordinary was actually extraordinary, and what they assumed was replaceable was far more rare than they ever imagined. One of the most significant moments in an avoidance journey happens when personal growth forces them to face truths they once avoided. During the relationship, they may have spent a great deal of energy protecting themselves from emotional discomfort. They focused on maintaining distance, preserving independence, or avoiding situations that required deep vulnerability. At the time, these choices felt reasonable. They believed they were protecting themselves. They believed they were making decisions that would give them peace. But growth has a unique way of changing how people view their past. As individuals mature emotionally, they begin to develop a greater understanding of themselves. They start recognizing patterns that once operated beneath their awareness. They become more honest about their fears, their reactions, and the reasons behind their choices. What once felt like strength may begin to look like avoidance. What once felt like control may begin to look like fear. This shift in perspective can be both enlightening and uncomfortable. For many, avoidance emotional growth does not happen overnight. It often emerges through life experiences, new relationships, personal setbacks, moments of loneliness, or periods of self-reflection gradually teach lessons that could not be learned before. As they gain these experiences, they start seeing things from a broader perspective. They begin recognizing that intimacy was not necessarily the enemy. Commitment was not necessarily the threat. Vulnerability was not necessarily weakness. In fact, many of the things they feared were actually essential ingredients for meaningful connection. This awareness creates an important contrast between who they were and who they are becoming. When they look back at the relationship, they often notice details they previously overlooked. They see the patience that was offered to them. They remember the understanding they received during difficult moments. They recognize the effort someone made to love them despite their emotional walls. Experiences that once seemed ordinary begin to carry greater significance. Growth also increases accountability. Rather than focusing entirely on what the other person did wrong, they begin examining their own role in the relationship. They ask difficult questions. Did they communicate openly? Did they appreciate what they had? Did they push away someone who genuinely cared about them? These questions are not easy to answer, but emotional maturity encourages honesty rather than avoidance. As this process unfolds, they may realize that the relationship offered opportunities for connection, healing, and growth that they were not ready to embrace at the time. They understand that their decision to create distance was not always about the other person. In many cases, it was connected to fears they had not yet learned to confront. This is where the truth becomes impossible to ignore. They realized that losing someone who genuinely cared was not a victory. It was not proof of independence. It was not evidence that they were better off alone. Instead, it may have been the loss of a rare opportunity to build something meaningful with a person who accepted them as they were. What makes this realization especially powerful is that it often arrives after the chance to repair the situation has passed. The person they left behind may have healed, grown, and moved forward. They may have built a fulfilling life without waiting for validation or reconciliation. Seeing that reality can reinforce the lesson even further. The avoidant comes to understand that meaningful people are not guaranteed to remain available forever. Some opportunities are temporary. Some connections are unique. Some individuals enter a person's life and leave a lasting impact that cannot be duplicated. Through growth, they finally recognize that genuine love, patience, trust, and emotional safety were not limitations placed upon them. They were gifts offered to them. Gifts whose value only became fully visible once they were gone. In the end, the moment an avoidant realizes they lost someone rare is not usually dramatic. It doesn't happen during an argument, a breakup, or a final goodbye. It happens later when time removes the distractions and life provides the contrast. It happens when they finally understand that genuine connection is not easy to find. The patience, loyalty, understanding, and emotional safety they once took for granted begin to stand out as qualities that cannot be easily replaced. What once felt ordinary suddenly becomes extraordinary. The deeper lesson is that rare people often do not recognize their own value because they spend so much time giving it away. If you were the one who loved, supported, understood, and stayed genuine, your worth was never dependent on whether someone could see it in the moment. Your value existed from the beginning. Sometimes people are too distracted by their fears to appreciate